Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an oil cleanser that is specifically formulated for acne-prone skin. This is a very gentle cleanser, but it will help to remove any impurities from the skin, and it also is great for soothing and calming any irritated skin. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out with, I'll be adding some rice bran oil to my beaker here. This oil is non-greasy, it will not clog the pores. It's great for cleansing the skin. It contains ingredients like squalene, vitamin E, vitamin B, and coenzyme Q10, as well as other vitamins and minerals. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my second ingredient, which is sunflower oil. This is a great oil for really getting rid of bacteria that causes acne. It contains the vitamins E, C, D, and A, and it will not clog the pores. In this formula, the next ingredient, caprylic capric triglycerides, I chose because it contains vitamin C as well as niacinamide, which is great for really balancing sebum production in oily and acne-prone skin. Now I'm going to be adding some vitamin E. This will help to prolong the shelf life of the other oils that I'm using in this formula. Not only that, but it is very easily absorbed into the skin. This next ingredient is one of my favorites, and it is called Blue Tansy Essential Oil. This is great for acne or oily prone skin. It really helps to balance sebum production. It is antibacterial. It has some calming properties too, and I love the blue color that it gives this formula. I think it makes it really stand out. Now it's time to go ahead and stir all the ingredients. I really want to make sure that that Blue Tansy essential oil is really incorporated, bringing the color throughout this cleanser. So now it's time for me to go ahead and pour this finished formula into my pump bottle. And let me just explain how often you can use this. You can use this daily. It does gently cleanse the skin and make it feel nice and refreshed. So here I am applying some of my favorite lip gloss to my inner arm. Once I've applied the lip gloss, I'm going to use some of the cleanser. Whoops, it's dripping. Sorry about that. And then using my fingers, gently massage that cleanser in over my lip gloss. And then once that has been done, I will follow up with this wet paper towel and simply wipe it all off. Now here on the paper towel, you can tell it literally has taken off all that lip gloss that I applied earlier. And then let me show you on the arm what it looks like. There's absolutely no lip gloss whatsoever, and the skin feels very nice and refreshed. Let me share with you this formula for the cleanser along with any substitutions I would recommend. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.